Hi, I'm Hélène Trudeau, and I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer apprentice at Fast Air in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm currently completing the academic part of my license at Red River College Polytech here in Winnipeg. I am honored to be a 2023 Captain Judy Cameron Scholarship recipient, and this scholarship will help me finance both the cost of my schooling and the cost of the tools I need to be successful at my job. While I was initially a little nervous entering a very male dominated skilled trade, especially as I didn't have any sort of mechanical background going into it, I was encouraged to do so by many men and women already in the industry. I've been very fortunate to have already found this career so welcoming and very rewarding. It's been through the people that I've met who have been so very generous with their time and talents that I've really been able to excel and discover the fantastic world of aviation. I intend to give back to this community by continuing to volunteer with various local organizations promoting women in aviation, such as our local chapter of Women in Aviation International, Northern Spirit, Friends of the 99s, and with Young Eagles events through the Experimental Aircraft Association. I really love being able to encourage and inspire future generations to pursue a career in aviation, as it really is such an amazing industry to get to be a part of. Thank you very much.